Hi and welcome back to the CQI tutorial series. Today we're going to look at the continuous monitoring, which is the last section within the project management. Like I said previously in another tutorial, you don't have to follow these down in order. You can select them and jump on something completely random, but we'll focus on continuous monitoring now, so let's click on that. For our continuous monitoring, we'll look at two data sets. So we have historic, something that's previously happened, and we have a follow-on data set. How we do this is we look at 12 months worth of data before we go into a service, then we might look at 12 months of data afterwards. These dates we've got at the top, we do have January to December in, so it follows a year. However, these are free text. You can add on absolutely anything you want, so you might want to put on like days of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, it really doesn't matter. It's up to you. Pick and choose these to suit your project. Now, for the data set, you would enter the previous data set, the historic one, so it can be anything. They're all free text, so anything you want to add in. Obviously, you cannot see them if you go too big. It only shows so much in this little monitor. I'll not fill all these in, and I'll just make a quick video cut, and we'll come back to the point where we're ready to save. Right, I've now entered the historic data set and a follow-on data set, and we're at the point where we can save. Once we save, we then generate a control chart. Now, our control chart, we have mean. The mean's actually calculated as the mean of the historic data set, and we have a standard deviation +1 and -1. Now, for statistical process control, what we want to do is want to create a continuous data set, and depending on what data you've entered, is you want to either be above or below the standard deviations, and you want to have 5 consecutive points. If you hover over any of these points, I'll tell you where we're at. So you can then use this as part of your end project report. We'll press save, and that's as done with the continuous monitoring.